My second time, but I don't want to talk too much. But hey guys. Sorry why I said that for a second. I know it's not out here, but I hope they do it today. It's Tuesday. But hope it doesn't do late for the test. I didn't go to school today because it's snow day. But I decided to go out there and do it. Oh, it doesn't freeze my phone. I don't know when they can do an announcement because how bad snow it is. Well, I left up. Give me a second. Back. Because my phone's being weird for a second. Because it doesn't like the video. Like taking videos. I think I should keep checking the time. I should bring a watch out so I can. It's 9:59. Head to 10. Because it doesn't head to 10 anytime. Last time it was like 9:56. It's back in 2024. What the hell? Come on, turn it up. They didn't do that last month. I can hear it. It's being slow. Come on. It's like it's gonna snow out there. The speaker's messed up. I have to move up a little bit more. It's gonna go off soon. Hope it's not loud. Because the speaker's messed up from the snow. Probably about a second. I was standing by the snow and I can't even tell. It's not going off. You had to turn it up, guys. Wow, it's not louder than I expected. Sorry, I'm shaking because it's cold. That's weird. I guess it was a little quiet. That's not good. It's like 30 seconds. That's weird. Well, enjoy the video.